Gang, back at it again. Stay tuned for this video. Don't go nowhere. Don't leave. I'll be back. I'm making cupcakes tonight. So I got these, and then my pan, and then my oil. And then I have some water on the stove. Hold on. I'm making my daughter some oatmeal. When she wakes up, she can have it.
Your husband's been dead a month. Why are you being such a bitch? You're being a cunt, don't you say that word to me.
So,
you're being a cunt. A friend lets a friend know what you're not a friend. You're just a stupid girl with nothing in your
okay guys.
Why don't you keep your legs shut? Help us.
I'm about to put some oil in this pan so it don't stick.
You're a cold old bitch.
I'm just putting a little cat food. I ain't got the whole thing. Put them in there. And it's time to put that away. I don't need that. Put this away. Put that in my bowl. This time I got a spoon. This is the white cake mix, but it's the confetti kind. So I'm trying to show y'all how it look. If you don't know what the confetti kind look like. Hold on. That's what it looks like, the little confetti kind. Yes, I got my bonnet on this time. I'm at home chilling, relaxing. I'm not gonna be uptight, wearing cute clothes and trying to bake. No, I'm not doing that. On this channel, we about to be real. Straight up, y'all. With y'all. I get my eggs. My Aretha's box, so I'm gonna put 4 eggs in there. That's what it's telling me to do. But I may put like 2 or 3 because I really don't have that much cake mix in the pan. In this. Cracking open these. No, I don't put them back in the box. It's nasty. Because that's how people catch stuff. Put it in the trash. Crack open another one. So, yeah, I probably just use 2 because it kind of like that's all kind of has some water in it or whatever.
Someone could drop a job. Ryan, what are you doing? So there's some skills. Maybe the person who touches it. Sorry, I got it. I'll be right back.
Okay, I got my water in there. Spoon. Scared me. That's the TV going on. I ain't got no dog. So mix this around. I can't find my whisk. I think it's called a whisk or something like that. I can't find that right now. So I'm gonna have to deal with this spoon. This spoon is good enough. This is more better than the knife that I use. So I'm gonna get under it. I'm not done. Okay guys, my daughter woke up, so I kind of have to like stop the video for a little bit, but I'm back. Stir this up a little bit. get underneath it. That's what I'm doing. Okay, it looks done. Don't look all white or nothing like that. So I'm going to pour it in the pan. Not a lot.
I want that money. I can get you money, but I need time.
But pretty much I'm just be chilling tonight or whatever.
If not,
Try to make y'all a video for
you're gonna be
Vlogtober.
lied again. In all the worst ways.
Yeah, I already know I gotta catch up on my Vlogtober days or whatever. Because I've been dealing with some personal stuff. I ain't telling y'all. But no, I'm not in Wichita right now. I will be filming Wichita tomorrow. I have to come back to Tulsa. But yeah, I'm about to pop this in the oven at 350. If you don't know, some people probably don't know, some people probably don't bake or whatever. That's why I'm just going by step. I'm kind of going slow or whatever, but usually I go fast and whoop whoop whoop. That's it. But I'm filming right now, so pop this in my oven for 8. I said 8. I'm sorry, 350. I'll be right back. Okay. Oh, why y'all haven't seen Marcus on here? He is visiting his family and his friends right now in his hometown. So that's what he's doing right now. It's me and my daughter, me and my sister, and my nieces and nephew. And whatever, keeps me company, so I'm happy about that. But I do miss him. I do. Talk every day, so what y'all think? Ooh, something going on with that? No, it's not. I got this oatmeal. Before she start getting cranky, fix her some meat. You know how 1-year-olds are. They get a little cranky when it's time to eat. And they want food now. Can't get mad or nothing like that. Can't. You just gotta fix them some food, let them eat.
So I have to go to Shanghai for a few nights and decide what things are developing.
And then they, calm down and relax. But you gotta be patient. That's one thing good to do. Gotta be patient. Especially with your kids. Some people are patient with their kids. But I am. With mine. I got one child. My daughter. Some people probably new to my little channel or whatever. Why I don't put my child on social media. Me and her daddy already came to agreement. We're not gonna put her on social media until she get older, so she can feel comfortable. But right now, I don't put her on social media.
Or do overseas adventures cost more?
Look at that, guys. I'm about to get my baby her food. I'm back. Okay, guys, I'm back. What I'm about to do is wash this bowl, whatever. I don't want it to lay out and be all nasty or whatever. That's nasty. When you cook, clean up. When you cook, that's the best thing to do. And that's what I'm about to do. Hold on.
No, we can't do this. It's free. You need to drive it. This is what we're saying. I'm saying you need to help me. You don't have to. I'm having you right now. Where we need to drive.
So let's put these up. Put this up and put this up. Usually I put this right here. My eggs in the refrigerator.